let's look how Marts and Dana will dance slow foxtrot gold level routine with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look once again at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation step, then we dance feather step, we check back our movement into outside swivel, which we finish in promenade position. From promenade we dance natural zigzag, notice ladies outside step on man's left side. We continue with bounce fallaway with weave ending. After that we continue with 3-step and into corner we dance hover cross, notice ladies heel turn and man's outside step on ladies left side. Very good. And let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. We take close hold and start with preparation step, moving diagonally to center. Same direction we dance feather step, then we check back in outside swivel. From here we continue again diagonally to center with natural zigzag. Now we move down line of dance with bounce fallaway with weave ending, which we finish diagonally to wall. Diagonally to wall we dance 3-step, and in same direction into corner we dance hover cross, noticed man's step outside on lady's left side, and we finish hover cross diagonally to center in new line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.